We kept this truck until 2011, and we traded that truck off to a dealership for that truck right there. That's my original cord, charging cord for my iPhone. All right, let's open the door. Hey, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms, and I'm Johnny. And hey, a few days back, I noticed something. I know something about my truck. I went out one morning to go check on the cows, and I opened the door to the pickup, and I saw something, guys. I saw something big, guys. And before I could do anything, it went up underneath the dash. So, anyway, I went and bought some glue traps, because glue traps will catch pretty much anything. And I put some glue traps in here. And you'll notice in these glue traps there's this, it looks like, for lack of a better word, it looks like something else. But what it is it's chocolate covered peanuts. And the reason being is because my something was chewing on this bag of chocolate covered peanuts, and it went right up under the dash right there. So I've got these traps set, and I'm hoping to catch something. So it's been set for, I guess they've been in here for over a day now. You can see they've caught some flies, but they haven't caught anything else. This is something else that happened. That's my original cord, charging cord for my iPhone. So he chewed that in half. And that's after I saw it. So anyway, this truck is 20 years old. I had my suspicions about, we've had this truck again for a year. Originally this truck was ours, and that's a little bit of backstory on this truck. This truck, we originally bought this truck. It's a 2004 model. We originally bought it in 2007. We kept this truck until 2011, and we traded that truck off to a dealership for that truck right there, that 2009. So yeah, traded that truck for that truck. All right, go ahead, 12 years. All right, that would be 2022, 2023. I happened to be on Facebook Marketplace. I happened to see something that looked similar to our old truck from the cab Ford, because we had a bed on it. We had a dually bed on it at the time. And so whenever I went around and looked at the front of the truck, in the photos, when I come around and looked at the front of the truck and I saw this guard on the front of it, I knew it was ours. Now I put the Gillum Farms tag on it, but this bar was made by the original owner, who lived on the other side of Muskogee. He was a cattle rancher. He used this for a feed truck, and this bar was bent way back then whenever I've had it before. Paint's faded, but it's a great old truck. It's anybody that knows our channel can attest to. They've seen me drive this thing everywhere. When we go to meetups, hours and hours away, we show up in this truck right here. So yeah, it's just that reliable, guys. So anyway, I had my suspicions that there was something in it whenever we purchased it, which has been a year ago. But I just didn't do anything about it. Well, whenever I finally saw it, and it chewed my cord in half, I go, it's got to go. So anyway, so let's see if we can catch it. Let's see what happens. We'll check on it again tomorrow and see what's going on. All right, guys, I'm going out here to check on the truck. I'm getting ready to go to a race in Sallisaw. I'm getting ready to go down there and watch. So I'm going to check out what's going on with the truck. It's the next day. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Look through this window first. Oh, I can't really tell anything. All right, let's open the door. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, all right. You guys see that? Yeah. All right, that's what's been living in our truck, right there. Holy cow. Okay. All right, guys. I told you that there was something big living in our truck, and that's it. Caught it. So, anyway, yeah. I've got some more glue traps. I'm gonna keep glue traps in here in the floor when I'm not driving the truck overnight, just in case there's any friends. I don't think there's any friends of that in there, but just in case there's any friends, I'm gonna put glue traps in the floor. So anyway, yeah, I told you guys. I told you something big living in our truck. And I think that something big has been in there for a year at this point. So anyway, hopefully that's it. Hopefully that's the last one. I've had glue traps in here a couple of nights now. And so, yeah, we caught it. But anyway, and I'm gonna dispose of that animal right there. I'm gonna get rid of it, and we're not gonna deal with that anymore. So anyway, folks, if you like this little video about what was living in our truck, what we've been driving around with in our truck, I know some people are going to say that is just disgusting and that is so gross and stuff like that. You got to realize, guys, we never saw this thing. We never saw it. We never smelled it. We never did anything. I had a little bit of suspicions about it because I would see little bits of paper chewed up on occasion and things like that, and I would think, well, something's chewing in here. Something's doing a little chewing. Whenever I saw it, and then the very next night my phone cord was chewed in half, which is the first time that's ever happened, I was like, oh yeah, we gotta get this done. So anyway, so guys, I'm getting ready to, I've got something to do. I'm going to take care of this, and then I'm going to go do the other thing that I've got going on, which I'm going to be filming as well. But anyway, if you like this video of trapping something big in our truck, then like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless. Right there, guys.